Back at the flying field to flight test FlyWing's latest RC helicopter. This is the MH-60T Jayhawk. Again, a stabilised GPS helicopter that flies pretty much like a drone rather than a collective pitch helicopter. So it's super easy to fly. You needn't have flown anything radio controlled before, really. This is so easy to fly. It features the new ACE flight controller, which has a couple of things I've been interested in, which is the soft takeoff and landing, and also the better scale-like turns. Because previously a lot of these GPS helicopters, they turn very flat, but with this the coordinated turns, you can get it to bank over quite nicely. So everything is in the box. You get the helicopter. The blades are very easy to fix into this. You push them in and rotate them 90 degrees, and they pull and they lock in place. You get the battery, which is a 4S 5000 milliamp hour, giving 18 minutes of flight time, they say, about that. Really long flight times. Probably you'd want to cut that up into 2 flights. You get the charger and you get the radio transmitter as well. So let's get it flying. Let's see how it looks in the sky. So opted to do the wrap up and the summary of my thoughts at home because it really was super cold down at the flying field, and my mouth wasn't working because it was so cold, so my lips were frozen together. So summary of thoughts is that, wow, I mean, it does fly so well. You can really throw this around even if you're a complete beginner and have not flown helicopters before. Really amazing how the technology has progressed to enable you to do that. A couple of things to be aware of: the canopy at the front, make absolutely sure that the canopy catch is engaged with the fuselage. Try and pull the canopy off after you've done that. You do not want that to come off in flight. Second thing is, be ready that you will have to do a compass calibration. Highly likely you will need to do that. You don't need a laptop to do that. You can do it that way with their software, but you can do it just with the radio transmitter, and the instructions are in the manual that comes with this helicopter. Otherwise, the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you're not a member or a follower of Essential RC, maybe you'd like to click that subscribe or follow link now, and I hope you'll enjoy my future videos. Thanks again. Bye.